Very good morning, my dear students. In this class, we are going to discuss about another problem for 5 marks, that is calculation of depreciation and computation of a tax on a depreciation. So there is a simple problem given in the section, and to solve the depreciation or to calculate the depreciation or a tax computation of a tax on the basis of what base they were giving. So ಯಾವ ಬೇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಅವರು ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಬೇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ನೀವು ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಷನನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್. So 15 marks problem should be solved on the basis of these concept. ಸೊ ನಾವು 15 mark ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನನ್ನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? The following fact related to Agrani Limited. What are the information or further information was given in the problem? The first one, the cost of machine means the cost of machines rupees 40 lakh. It is a worth or a price of a machine. What it is? 40 lakh. And the useful life of a machine, that is 5 years. The life of the machine, that is a 5 years. And salvage value is a 8 lakh. And the company follows written down value method of depreciation at the rate of 25%. What is the rate of depreciation? That is a 25%. And tax rate is 35%. And what is the tax rate? 35%. So here in the problem they will provide the cost of a machine 40 lakh and the life of the machine or year of the machine 5 years and salvage value of 8 lakh and the rate of interest or rate is a 25% and depreciation rate it is a 25% and tax rate is a 35%. They will tell or they will ask to calculate the depreciation and the tax savings on depreciation. First, before solving the tax savings on depreciation, we should solve the depreciation. We have to calculate the depreciation for each year. That is, they will provide the 5 year of a life of the asset. So first year, what is the cost of the machine? That is rupees 40 lakh. What it is? Rupees 48. And what is the rate of depreciation? 25%. Then calculate it. What is the depreciation or what amount is charged on the asset in the form of a depreciation? That is 40 lakh into 25% divided by 100. That is 10 lakh. What is the first year depreciation amount? That is 10 lakh. So it is a depreciation charged on the asset which is having the value of a 40 lakh. That is first year, that is 10 lakh. And what method of depreciation they will say? Written down value method of depreciation. Written down value method of depreciation. So we have to deduct the first year depreciation in the cost or original cost of the machine. That is 40 lakh minus 10 lakh. That is 30 lakh. So we have to consider that 30 lakh is the cost of asset for a next year. Okay. Then next year depreciation 30 lakh into what is the rate of depreciation? 25 divided by 100. What is the figure? 7,50,000. And we have to deduct the 7,50,000 in the original amount of depreciation. Original amount of depreciation is how much? Not a 40 lakh. It is a 30 lakh. 30 lakhs minus 7,50,000. That is 22,50,000. Okay. And third year, what is the original cost of the machine? That is a 20 lakh 50,000. We cannot take the 40 lakh is the cost of machine into 25 divided by 100. Calculate it. What is the figure of depreciation? 5,62,500. 5,62,500, and we have to deduct the 5,62,500 in the amount of 22,50,000 original amount of the original value of the asset or machine in a second year, that is 16,87,500. Okay. Next, in a fourth year depreciation, we have to consider the figure 16,87,500 is the cost of the machine, and we have to charge the 25% of depreciation on the cost of the machine. We have to get the answer 4,21,875. Then we have to deduct the depreciation amount in the cost of the asset, that is 12,65,625. Then last year depreciation, what the figure we have to take as the cost of the asset? The fourth year balanced figure 12,65,625 into 25 divided by 100. Then we can get the answer 3,16,406. And what is the balancing figure? That is 9,49,219. This is the depreciation or calculation of the depreciation on the basis of the written down value method. Then going to the next step, that is we have to calculating the or computation of a tax on a depreciation. Before calculating the depreciation tax savings on depreciation, we have to take the each and every year depreciation figure. So you take this column in this and this column in this place, because I make a wrong or mistaken for making the column. Okay. Depreciation. What is the rate of depreciation in the first year? 10 lakh. Then second year 7,50,000. And next third year 5,62,000. Next 4,21,875. Then 3,16,406. Now we can calculate the tax savings on the depreciation. So tax savings rate. What is the rate of tax savings? 25. Tax rate 35%. 35%. Okay. So what is the rate of depreciation for the first year? That is 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh into 35%. So what is the tax savings on depreciation? 3,50,000. Calculate one by one. Second year rupees 7,50,000 into 35 divided by 100. Then third year rupees 5,62,000 into 35 divided by 100. Then fourth year 4,21,875 into 35 divided by 100. Then last year 3,16,406 into 35 divided by 100. So calculate it all. Calculate the tax savings on depreciation. So what is the figure of first year? 3,50,000. Okay. Next 2,62,500. Then next calculate it 5,62,000 into 35 divided by 100. That is 1,96,875. Next, 4,21,875 into 35 divided by 100, that is 1,47,656. Next, 3,16,406 into 35 divided by 100, that is 1,10,742. 742. This is the answer for calculating the tax on depreciation. All are understood? So in this way we have to calculate the depreciation on a asset. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ರೀ, ಡೆಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನನ್ನು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ತಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೋ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಫ್ leasing. Everyone should attend the class. I can take the online class of the ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ ರೀ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದು 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಕ್ವೈರೀಸ್, ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಅಥವಾ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 50 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ all. Okay, thank you.